Get a feel for the 2019 Volkswagen Tiguan. This vehicle still has fewer than 30,000 miles on the clock, so it won't last long. Here's a family-minded Tiguan that delivers safety and practicality wrapped in understated style. From its driver assist safety features to its impressive fuel efficiency and available third-row seating, this convenient crossover has your back. The following are some of this vehicle's highlighted options: panoramic roof, keyless entry, electronic stability control, trip computer, power windows, bucket seats, four-wheel disc brakes, power steering. Feel secure and poised in this thoughtfully appointed Tiguan. Treat yourself to a test drive today. Our staff will toss you the keys and give you an outstanding customer experience.